if you've got to light a fire when it's wet, and I got caught out half hour ago, been fairly dry up here, the gas bottle's empty and I had to cook a bit of meat. Got to light a fire, you've had a few showers of rain, use standing wood. Dead wood, but standing wood, it'll be a lot drier than the stuff on the ground, and source litter, leaf litter to start your fire under fairly densely vegetated bushes and shrubs. It'll generally be dry, if not on the surface, just underneath. Yeah, there's no smoke and mirrors here. Well, maybe a bit of smoke. I've got a bit of smouldering litter in the bottom of my hole. But we're not rubbing sticks together. We're not doing any of that fancy stuff. We're going to light it with a bit of paper. She'll get going. Beauty, she's going. Just one other little tip I could advise you on. If you've got damp ground, I mean, you try to light a fire on damp ground, and it is much more difficult than it is if you dig a bit of a hole. Just a shallow hole till you find dry ground. Set your fire on that. Look at this. Right now, you can send it down here, you beauty. That's what I reckon. Ha ha! You get that stake out. Remember, dry wood is standing wood, much drier than laying on the ground. To start the fire, the litter under dense bush or shrub, and even if the surface is a bit wet, you'll find dry litter under there, and a shallow hole. There you've got dry ground. And you can't go wrong, you beauty. Take it from an old codger. Lit many a fire.